Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes weekly webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from our friends at Hunkydory Crafts, we have a fantastic card kit. This is Wonderful Windows Concept Card Kit. This makes 12 specialty cards. You guys, the cards are really fun and gorgeous. So easy to put together. They stand up like this. You can write on the back. And this is our giveaway card for this episode, so if you stick around, you'll learn how one lucky viewer can win this card to keep or share with a friend. So come play with us. All right, let's take a look through this kit, you guys. So you're getting 2 of everything that I'm going to show you. Okay, so these are all the little die-cut elements, all the little bits that you can foam tape to the front. These are the little greetings for the front and back, and these are the little circles that go around the acetate. You're getting 2 of these. And same, just different sentiments. Okay, these are acetate sheets. So cool. You're getting 2 of these. Everything is just punch outs, right? You can see this. It has gold foiling on it. We'll go over those momentarily. Really cool. You're getting 2 of those. 6 card designs. All right, these are the card bases, and this is the little mechanism that holds it upright. It just punches out. You're getting 2 of those. Okay, you're getting 2 of these designs, like a celebration one, and then like music. And then balloons and bunting, 2 of these. Of course, you're getting all of the envelopes, and then step-by-step instructions on how to put it all together, and I'm going to show you how to do this too. All right, so let's check these out, you guys. I had so much fun making these. So this is, as I said, our giveaway card for this episode, and how that works is we are trying to promote our Paper Wishes YouTube channel, as you can see that better. Paper Wishes YouTube channel. So we ask that you hop on over to YouTube and that you subscribe to Paper Wishes, and that you give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, it would be really great. Leave us a comment about what you think about these cards, the kit, if you would like to win one. And then after about a week, we will reply to one of the comments by saying, congratulations, YouTube username blank. We will use your very specific YouTube username for one lucky winner. So you do have to know what your YouTube username is, and it's a good idea to hit that notification bell at the top right hand corner so we know when we're trying to contact you or when we drop a new video. Also, these instructions are written at the end of the video if you want to participate. All right, so for this one right here, I added a couple things to the kit card. I added some pink jewel border dazzle stickers, okay, which I think of these as just like Barbie pink. They're so pretty. And then also just a little 1/8 inch ribbon, which did I grab? I did not grab. But that's listed down below the video. If you're watching us on our webisode page, all the items are listed down below individually, so you can check that ribbon set out. All right, so that's that one. It even has a little handmade with love on the back. This one also so cute. Let your dreams take flight. Have a perfect day. So cute. And on this one, I added teal dazzle stickers. These little round ones right here are so great to use with a little jewel picker. And I just put them all the way around the frame. I did add the butterflies first and foam taped those on there. And then I did the little jewels in between them just to make sure that they would be showing up. A little hair on my card there. And then right down here, I used one of the little coordinating teal border dazzle stickers. So cute. There's the little sentiment on the back. All right, and then here is this cute music one, just a note to say, have a rockin' day. So cool. And then for this one, I added that we've got gold and silver star, ooh, these are really hard to see, star dazzle stickers. You'll have to take my word on it. There we go. And they just peel right off, and I added those to the elements that were foam taped and also the ones that are just stuck here. So I thought it just added a little fun element. And you can do your own layout. Like you can put these little pieces, the little die cut punch outs wherever you want on the card. So I thought we would actually build a card together. I thought that would be useful. Here we go. I've got all my little bits. So this sheet Okay, these just punch right out, you guys, these acetate pieces. And then this piece right here is the card we're going to be working on with the bunting. Okay, so this just punches right out. Oops, there we go. And then there's a circle in the center that punches out. And then the circle has a little punch out. So they are just really great with using the space here. Okay, so with this little piece right here, this is the mechanism that is keeping the card from like splaying out when it's like displaying and displayed. So there's a way to fold this. You want to fold it so that it goes down in the center and that these little flaps go back. Okay, so it kind of looks like a little bird. Give it like that. And then you're going to use some extra sticky tape. What this is right here. I used the 1/2 inch wide. We also have 1/4 inch wide. I found that the 1/2 inch wide gave me more coverage, and when I cut it into pieces, I didn't have to do as much cutting. So that was just a preference, but I'll list both of them, and you can see which one you want to use. So what I did there was I just took my 1/2 inch wide extra sticky tape, and I just cut a little bit like this, and then I just took it and cut it like this. Using scissors like these tiny ones that you can get at Paper Wishes, these have a Teflon coating on them, so they're not sticking to the adhesive, so that's really nice. So the first thing we're going to do is put this little piece right here, and once I get the tape on there, I just like to just rub that to make sure that it's really burnished on there. It's not gonna peel off the adhesive from the back. There we go. Okay, so remember we're doing this, this, and this. And then I just keep it folded and then find the center for your little circle. Put this along the bottom edge, just like that. Tape that right there, and then fold your card flap down, and then all done, like that. These little pieces are going to be all over the place, so just watch out for that. All right, so in their instruction sheet, here we go, it gives a specific order. So we've already done this part. We've already done this part. Now we're going to tape the circle right here to the acetate piece. Okay. This one has lots of like celebratory things, but you know, birthday is the theme. And do you guys do a lot of birthday cards? I do the majority of the cards, except for maybe Christmas. I do birthday cards. And sometimes I do them specifically for that person, mostly. And then sometimes I do them a few ahead, just in case you forget, right? All right, so now we're going to take this. The foil side is facing down, and then you're just centering the circle, just like that. Make sure that it sticks good. Now, the next part of the instructions says to take this, okay, and to go ahead and turn it upside down. And then there's this piece that goes on the back. And you're supposed to put that right on top, okay? And this is to cover the half of the circle that is exposed on the back. They really did think of everything on this. Okay. We're going to take this one, and for this you just need to make sure that when you're putting this on here that your words are very straight, okay, horizontally, and then you're just putting this right, oops, right there. Kind of tricky because I'm not right over the top of it. And then look at it from this side to make sure there's no white edge sticking up on the top. All right, then what they recommend you do is take this one right here, and then take this and stick this down like this. And what I found was nice to do is go ahead and put some tape around the edge. Get it right up next to the edge of the card front. And after making several of these, I found this to be the easiest way for me. Instead of putting the tape on here, okay, put the tape here on the card. And then once again, you're just aligning this. Now, I have to get right over this, but if I do that, you're gonna look at the top of my head. And then you're just trying to get that right on that white edge. The other thing you might notice is this piece right here doesn't quite meet the ends. There is a little bit of a white gap there. That's okay. All right, so we did it, yay. So that's adhered. All right, and now what we're gonna do is we get to put all these cute little things on, and then I like to use a little, put a bowl, like a gold gold jewel border dazzle along the bottom edge, just to kind of tie in that gold. We could put one right there. Like this. Make sure you rub your hand over that so it's nice and secure. Cute. And then what's left here, you can just take that, put that along the top edge too. Oops. Trim that. Oops. Everything is sticking because it's like staticky. All right. Just gonna put this down like I normally would and try to, instead of trying to hold it up. Okay, there we go. All right, so we've got sparkle here, sparkle along here. This piece right here goes along the back. I mean, or you could put it on the inside too. Or on the back. You can't put it on the inside because it's closed. I just sort of defaulted to my normal. You could put it on the inside. No, you can't, Lene, because it's secure. All right, so this one's foam tape. This is our little greeting. I like to make these just sort of overlap. I don't want to cover up all these cute little presents, so we'll put it on this side. And then you've got all these cute little pieces with the gifts. I'm just going to take all the little foam tape off of here. Okay, so cute. And then we can just sort of put some right here. And we can just kind of go all the way across like a cute little border. Okay, and then we've got our cute little party hats. And I think we'll put those like right up here. We'll just stick them at the top. But when doing these, I want to make sure that the foam tape is going in the right direction. And I'll show you why. All right, I would suggest putting the foam tape like this and then just adhering that like that. Same with this piece. This one needs to be a little bit smaller because you don't want your foam tape to be larger or going in the opposite direction of your little frame. Have them at an angle like that. All right, so that's the quickest, easiest card, right? And then you can write on the back. I would use like a Sharpie or permanent marker to do that. You guys, such a fun collection. Definitely encourage you to check that out. The Money Saver is on the right-hand side of the screen if you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page. If you're watching us on YouTube, look below the video in the description box and you'll see a link that'll take you to this webisode page. And while you're there, you guys, it would be great if you could subscribe to our channel. YouTube tells us 50% of you are not subscribed, and so it would be a great favor to us if you like our videos to please subscribe. Go ahead and log into YouTube and then subscribe. It would be a great favor. It helps people find our channel and helps our business grow. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one.